It is a small hairball of Tom Pure Book Hollow Cotton 4.0 hook needle. First, hold the thread with the left hand and lock the needle. The locked needle does not count the number of needles, so I started to hook the braid needle, and there were a total of 16 braid needles. After hooking the 16 braid needles, go back to the second braid needle and start hooking the short needle. Push the hook needle into the needle, and take the wire out of the winding through the 2 coils. This is a short needle. Newbie can make a number click button on the first short needle. Next, the corresponding needles are shortcut, and there are a total of 14 shortcut needles. After the 14 short needles are hooked, 3 short needles are hooked in the last needle. After the 3 short needles are hooked, turn them to the other side, and the cross-injection needle between the 2 braid needles begins to hook to the short needle. There are 13 short needles on this side. When hooking, you can place the thread tip above the hook needle, and hide the thread while hooking. Hide the thread. After the 13 short needles are hooked, a short needle is hooked in the last needle and plus needle, which is 2 short needles are hooked in the 1 needle. After checking, remove the buckle and the first needle to lead the world. This way the bottom part is completed. Next, start hooking to the first round of the wrapping body, and lock 3 braided needles as the first long needle. Then, continue to hook a long needle in the same needle. After the long needle is hooked, lock a braid needle. Next, empty the needle and do not hook it. A short needle is hooked in the needle at the back. After the short needle is hooked, lock a braid needle. This completes a set. Repeat salary according to this rule and demonstrate it again. If you don't hook the empty needle, just hook a long needle in the next needle. After the long needle is hooked, lock a braid needle. Then continue hooking a long needle in the same needle and locking a braid needle. After locking, do not hook the empty needle, and hook a short needle into the rear needle. After the short needle is hooked, lock a braid needle. This completes the second set. Next, repeat the checking according to this rule to complete this circle. After this circle is hooked, remove the introduction button and the first pin puller to connect. In this way, the first round of the body is completed. Start hooking the second circle of the wrap and pulling the thread to the braided needle between the 2 long needles in the previous circle. Lock the 3 braid needles as the first long needle, and novices can make a marking button on the 3rd braid needle. Then lock a braid needle as a spacing. Continue inserting the needle below the braid needle between the two long needles, and hooking a long needle. After fastening, lock 3 braid pins. This completes a set. Next, continue to find the hole between the 2 long needles in the previous circle and start hooking the needle, first hooking a long needle. After hooking, lock a braid needle, and then continue hooking a long needle in the hole. After hooking, lock 3 braid needles. This completes the second set. According to this rule, everyone completes the set part by themselves. After this circle is hooked, remove the marking buckle and connect the first pin. This way, the second round of the body is completed. At the beginning of the third round of the body, we first pulled the shadow to the braid needle between the 2 long needles. The third round of the body is the same as the first round of the body, and the first round of the body is the same. First lock 3 braided needles as the first needle long needle. Then lock a braid needle as the interval and hook a long needle into the same needle. After expansion, lock a braid needle. Then hook a short needle at the 3 braid needles in the previous circle. After expansion, lock a braid needle. Then start to repeatedly hook a long needle in the hole between the 2 sets of long needles in the previous circle. A braid needle. Continue to hook a long needle. After hooking, lock a braid needle. Hook a short needle at the 3 braid needles in the previous circle. Lock a braid needle. The same method as the hooking method in the first circle, and according to this rule, everyone completes the rest by themselves. After this circle is hooked, it will be connected with the first needle. Next, start the 4th circle of the hooking needle. At the beginning of each lap, we trigger the thread into the hole between the 2 long needles in the previous lap. The hooking method of the 4th and 2nd circles of the needle is the same. Lock 3 braided needles first as the first long needle. Continue to lock a braid needle as a spacing and continue hooking a long needle in the hole. After locking, lock 3 braid pins. This completes a set. Then continue to repeatedly hook in the hole between the next 2 long needles. 1 long needle, 1 braid needle, 1 long needle. After locking, lock 3 braid pins. According to this rule, everyone completes the rest by themselves. This way, the 4th round of the needle is completed. To wrap the needle means to repeat the regular work style of the 1st and 2nd circles of the needle to the height you want. This Spiral Library mobile phone package is finished.